I want to show you a nifty tactic to get links using Google Alerts. And what this does is basically, well, let me show you how to get there. Basically, I just Google for Google Alerts. The first item is obviously Google Alerts. And you can see I actually have something in Google Alerts. And let me explain to you how this works. When somebody mentions you on the internet, right? And you can see that I said, if somebody mentions comehike.com, right? Then I get an email from Google saying, hey, so-and-so mentioned you, blah, blah, blah. And here's what it does. If they mentioned me, but they didn't link to my website, I can check that. And I can email the person who mentioned me on their website, and I can say, hey, how about actually linking to, you already mentioned my website, might as well link to it, right? And of course, that's very logical. Most of the time, they'll be like, oh yeah, it's even better for their readers, right? So they'll link to you. And that's actually how you can use Google Alerts to get alerts when people mention your website, and then you can check if that's mention is with a link or not. And if it's not with a link, you can simply email that website and ask maybe, hey, can you link that to me? And that's one way to get links to your website.